Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and Azure DevOps series. In this session, in CICD database migration, how to create future branch and publish and deploy for CICD database migration. Okay, so those changes, how to did, and we are going to do now. So if any developer is working on some schema change and they will create a future branch, once the changes are done in future branch, they will create a pull request. Again, same process, they will create a pull request, and once the approver is approved, then they will match the code to main branch. Once the code is matched to main branch, our continuous integration pipeline will kick off. So then our continuous delivery deployment will happen to the uh, to databases for multiple environments. Let's go ahead and see. So this is the one we have now. We are under main branch. Repo is under main branch. Repo is tech study and database. Let me create a new branch, future, based upon main branch. Create. Okay. So I have created a future branch. Else we can create here as well. Okay. Let me refresh. Here also we can create the new branch. Okay. Either way, this branch will keep under its local Visual Studio. See here. Now we will create new table. If you want to add a script, we can add the script as well. If you want to add a new item, we can add new item, and we can create a table. Table name is, we can create sales db test. Add. Okay. So our new table schema is added. Table name. Let me add the column names id, name, make it of 10. Let's save it. Save and close. So this is the, if we want to uh, update existing schema, so sales.csv. Okay, so this is all our anywhere care max, right? Order number we want to change where care max, where care where care 100. Okay, so updated. There now we are doing two changes. One is we have created one new table, and we have changed the where care and care where max to n where care 100 in this table. Okay, this is the one change, and this is the new change. Now let me publish to the, let me put commit. Okay, once we did the commit, we are doing a feature branch, right? So let me do the git commit dash and a new table and add a new table and updated the schema for column. We can give the column name as well. Okay, for now I'm not giving. So let me commit all and push. So now we have committed the changes. Solution Explorer. See, now it's the tick mark is not there. it's again it came to lock symbol, right? Let us go ahead and refresh. Yeah, see, future branch is updated. See, so here also we can create pull request. If you will see here in main branch, let me show you the table. Skipped. See, nvarchar max only we have. That is we are going. There is no new table. Once we push the changes, once we create a pull request, then push the changes, it will reflect in main branch. So let me create here pull request. Create pull request. See, add a new table and updated schema for column. And if you want to add reviewers, we can add the reviewers. Let me add my name. If you want work item in the board, we can add that work item as well. For now, let's create it. So no merge conflicts. As I said, right, we have installed this one merge conflicts extension. So that is the reason we are seeing this one here in the conflicts. Okay, let me approved, and let me complete match. It will match the pull request. So our new changes, future branch to main branch, it will push the changes to our main branch. Let's go ahead and check the main branch now. Branches, main branch. So take CICD Database, DBO schema, tables. New table is added. Our schema is updated. Now let's see the release pipeline here. What is the status? Integration pipeline should kick off because we have added the uh, trigger option automatically. If any changes occurs in main branch, it should kick off the continuous integration pipeline. So it's all sorry, it's already kicked off. Okay, oh, good. It's completed as well. Perfect. See, it's completed. Now let me show you that there is no new table and columns. You will see here nvarchar max. Now we are going to deploy the changes whatever we did now. So let's create release pipeline. Releases, create release, create. So release 2 is in progress. Let's check it out. Once this is completed, we will verify the database. Is it done or not? Okay. Initializing. See, if a build completed, it will send us the email. Okay. Build succeeded. So if you remember previous session, we have applied the for parallel uh, execution parallelism to increase pre-parallelism for a free tier account. This is the email we got. The Microsoft is granted the permission. Okay, build succeeded. We got the email. See, now let's go ahead and check the release pipeline status. It's in progress. Let's go and check the log. Deployment starting. So in next session, I will explain you about how to mask the passwords in database migration in release pipeline. At the same time, if there is any, so consider we have data in table 9 character, okay, but we have length is 11, I mean 10 character, but we are trying to reduce the length 10 to 9. In that case, it won't allow you to do the change the schema. Why? Because already we have the data in table. Okay, so for that we need to truncate the table and then we need to do the schema changes. Then we need to do the update. update the schema. That is one drawback. Okay, so updation is done. So our release pipeline completed. Perfect. So second release also completed. Let me change the pipeline name. Continuous integration DB release pipeline. So let's go ahead and check the schema here. Let me refresh. That new table should be available here. At the same time, the order ID column, we have changed it to and varchar max to varchar 100. So these two changes should available now here in the prod database. See, varchar 100 is done, and dust DB also added. So we are good. Perfect. So if you will see here, it won't be available because initially we took the um, let me show you that tables. So it's a dev database basically, right? In this case, what we need to do, we need to add, so both the database schema should be in sync, right? Initially, we need to deploy the changes to, see here, there is no new table. For that purpose, we are going to add one more stage. Add, add stage. And so that pack deployment, Azure sponsorship. Let me publish that pack file, select, okay, here password. Let's save it. So login name database is study. Okay. So let's do the study prod. In this, we will make as a study. This is dev database. Dev prod. Okay, so that we will be in sync for both databases. We are doing the schema changes in Visual Studio level, hence we need to create release again. Let's see. So our changes should be reflect in DevDB as well. So we need to make the code is static and both should be identical. It should match with the prod and dev database. So first, initially, we need to do the deployment for development, then it for production. view the logs. So now it's masking the password. It's taking time. So it's failed. So raise error, data loss. See, schema update is terminating because data loss. So something character value we have in this database, and varchar max is not taking. So hence it is using the which we have discussed, data loss occur error. Okay, that is fine. We can update the schema based upon the error. And let me update the schema in main branch itself. Okay, commit to the main branch. Let's see. So database pipeline is running. So somewhere the data is more than 100 is there in the dev database. So while inserting the data, there may be a space, something else we have. So it will take time to figure out. So let's update the schema from revert back to. But in this case, we need to figure out which is the record more than we have assigned data type. So then we need to figure out what is the action we require. Okay. So for now, I have reverted the changes. Let's see now how it goes. Agent job. So it's done. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go for release pipeline and create release. So if it is fail also, we will get the email. See. Azure DevOps is failed and we are getting the error as well to the email. Perfect. Okay. So if you face issues in these scenarios, please contact me or do the comment. I will help you out how to figure out these issues and how to solve the issues in production environment or development. Let's go ahead and check the release pipeline logs, deployment starting. Hence, it is a free account. It will take time to um, initializing and start deployment everything. If it is a production or pay as you go subscription, it will be more faster compared to our free trail account. Okay. Getting the database started. Once this is done, we will check the schema in our see new table is created. So update is done. Perfect. Now this will kick off. Let's check the dev database. Refresh. Tables. See, new table is added. And now it's updated with 100 to NVRCare max. So this is the way we will do the deployments. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please do the comment and I will reply to your comments. So if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Do comment, like, share. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.